name is Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path. Happy International Beading Week. I'm so excited that we have a full week dedicated to our love of beading. So this is going to be a short and sweet video today just to let you know that starting today, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week, I'm going to have a brand new free pattern that you can go in and download on my website in honor of International Beading Week. So if you have no clue what International Beading Week is, make sure to look right here below the video at that little down arrow. And there is a direct link to the International Beading Week website where you are going to find a ton of information as well as tons of free patterns. Now, each day I'm going to go in at around 10 a.m. Eastern time, and I'm going to go through and I'm going to add that new pattern to the website. So by the time you're seeing this, it's already going to be on the main page of the website, and you'll be able to see a new one each day. Now, for the rest of the month, I'm going to be demoing on how to make these projects. So if you have any questions, just hold those questions because there will be a video later on in the month so that you can see how these projects are done. I'm so excited to be able to do this for you, and I do hope that you will take part in some of the International Beading Week things that they have going on all around the world. So you can find those free patterns each day this week on my website at offthebeadedpathbeadstore.com. They're going to be there on the main page, and just remember, although it's a free pattern, you still need to purchase the free pattern to be able to get that instant download link. So guys, I hope that you take advantage of these patterns, and I hope you have a fantastic week. Bye-bye.